Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is area of a square part 2. We have done area of a square part 1, now area of a square part 2. Let us see. So the type number 3, the part 1 we have done basic points of the area of a square and type number 1 and 2. Here this is the type number 3 question. So type 3 is what? Area of a square is given 9025 meter square. Then find first question side, second part perimeter, and third part diagonal. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you see what is given in the question. So what is given? Area given. And we have to find side. So you know side formula we have already discussed, that is area of a square is what? So area equal to side square. So if we need side, then side equal to a square root of area. And here area is given what? 9025. So we have to find a square root of 9025. There are so many methods for finding the square root of the given number. So there is a one tricky approach method is what? So that you can find very easily and fastly a square root of any number. So suppose first here last two digits and check what is the unit. So unit is what? 5. Now check which number square give you 5. So 5 square 25, only 5 can give 5. So unit digit of this square will be what? 5. And now here 90. So check which square is near to 90. So 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. So 10 square is greater, so we will take 9. So 9 square 81 near to this. So that is 95 meter is our right answer. So square root of 9025 is what? 95. Now this is the first part. Now see the second part. Second part we need what? Perimeter. So now it is very easy because we already have side 95 meter and we need perimeter. So perimeter of a square is what? That is 4 into side. So side already given. So we can find 4 into 95. 4 5s are 20 and 4 9s are 36 to 38. So 380 meter. But if the only this question, suppose area of a square is given, find perimeter. Then first of all you have to find side first. When you will find side, after that we will find perimeter, that is 4 into side. So 4 into 95, 380 meter. In the same way, third part is what? Diagonal. So we need diagonal of a square. So you know formula is what? Root 2 into side. So again the same thing. If in interview exam, not all three parts will be asked, simply one, this part or this part. Suppose my question is area of a square is 9025 meter square, then find diagonal. So diagonal is root 2 into side, so we need side. So first you find side. Side is what? A square root of area, that is 9025, 95. So now we have side, so just you apply the formula, root 2 into 95. So our correct answer is what? 95 root 2 meter. This is our correct answer. In this way we can solve any part is given. First you find side, and then if they need perimeter, 4 into side. If they need diagonal, that is root 2 into side.